Namaste everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Gayana. In this video, we are going to learn the pose called Padma Mayurasana. Padma Mayurasana is an advanced arm balance pose. Padma Mayurasana is also easier preparatory version of Mayurasana. Before moving to the asana practice, let us see few precautions of this asana. If you have any recent surgery to the abdomen and the chest region, should avoid this. If you have any pain around the wrist, elbows and the shoulder, should not practice this. And also women should avoid during the menstruation and pregnancy time. Let us see how to do the Padma Mayurasana. Let's begin with Padmasana, the lotus pose. Yes. Now slowly from here. Now with the support of your both hands, stand on the knees, palms forward. Yes, from here, turn your palms. The fingertips should be turning towards your body side. From here, bend your elbows, okay? You should bend your elbows. You should bend your elbows and place it beside the navel like this, okay? Yes, try to round your back, okay? This is my spine straight. From here, little round your back and place your elbows beside the navel like this. Turn your palms, bend your elbows on the abdomen. Okay, round your back, place your forehead on the mat and stay here. Yes, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now slowly lift your head up and slowly relax. Now slowly. Now this time let us try to lift our legs. Same way, bend your elbows, forehead on the mat, little lean forward and try to lift your legs up. Yes, one more time, lift your legs up, down. Just now slowly come up and relax. Yes, same way, stand on the knees. Let us try to lift our forehead. Yes, slowly lift your both legs up. Slowly lift your head up. Just stay there. So try to practice according to yourself. Don't push yourself. Yes, slowly drop your legs down. Drop your head down. Same way, slowly come up and relax. By day of practice of yourself, you can reach till this point. Let us see few benefits of this asana. Tones all organs in the abdomen, improve the digestion and removes the constipation, reduce the cough problems, strengthens the wrist, elbows and the shoulders, improve the focus and concentration. I hope this video is helpful for you with the practicing of Padma Mayurasana. See you on next video. Till then, take care and namaste.